Hi, I'm Ken Rackison, President and CEO of Gordon Brush. We've been in business since 1951. We've now acquired our 11th company. And one of the things that we love is making custom brushes, because we know that we can make anything. As we say, this is America, we can do anything. And we love making brushes that we've never made before. It's a big part of our business. We have millions of dollars in equipment that has been designed so that we can make whatever you want, turn it around in 3 or 4 weeks, no longer than 3 or 4 weeks, as opposed to most of our competitors. It'll take 6 or 8 weeks to do things because they can't do the work in-house. So we love any kind of a challenge you want to throw at us, and we'll be really good. We'll get back to you very quickly with a quote, and we'll be able to make whatever you're looking for. Thanks for doing business with us.
How Gordon Brush works with the customer to design a custom brush. It all begins when a request comes to one of our highly trained marketing services representatives, who captures the initial pertinent information from the customer. Once captured, the marketing services representative will send the request to the engineering department, where one of our design engineers will review the design and begin to render 3D models. After the 3D rendering is generated, a Gordon Brush team consisting of marketing services representative, engineering, and marketing meets to go over the custom brush request and determine how the brush will be made and on what machines it will be made. The team leader will visit the product floor to observe the actual product process and ensure that there are no issues in the manufacture of the custom brush. After the custom brush is manufactured, the team will reconvene and review the specs and the finished product to ensure that the brush was made correctly prior to shipping to the customer.
We've been in business since 1951, and we bought 11 different companies, which have given us all kinds of tools and machinery that would allow us to make your brush that you need to solve your problem on some of the equipment that we have here. We've invested millions of dollars to make this happen. We currently make over 17,000 different brushes, and we love the opportunity to solve your problems by making a brush for you.